TikTok Shop Affiliate is completely changing the life of many creators and taking them from zero to consistent income a month in less than a year. Check out this TikTok shop. This TikTok shop is growing rapidly and generating a consistent income just by posting different videos on TikTok Shop. And in this video, I will explain exactly how they did it. Basically, TikTok Shop Affiliate program is taking all over the internet and is currently one of the easiest, latest, and most profitable business you can start in 2025. To help you understand the process better, I would like to tell you that first, we need to select a popular niche. Next, we'll find a product in that niche to promote. Finally, we'll make videos to promote that product and post them on TikTok, earning commissions through TikTok Shop Affiliates. But the question is, how you can find viral products like this and start selling them on TikTok. For that, let's head over to this website called Shoplus. This tool is only designed for TikTok Shop Affiliates, and it helps you to find trending niches, hot-selling products, top influencers, and much more. So first, head back to Shoplus. And there you need to change the country settings from here to see relevant data of your target audience. From here, you can check out videos with the best sales performance. This will give you a clear idea of what's working and what's not. This information would help you choose your niche properly. Now, if you want to check out the newly added products, click on this tab to see all the available options. Here, you will find tons of growing products and how much they have generated through TikTok Shop. Next, you want to select the drop-down option in category and select the home decor option. This way, you will find a lot of options for home decor which are high in demand right now. If we go into the product videos option right here, you can clearly see what type of products creators are promoting and how much they are generating through TikTok Shop. The next best strategy to choose a product is to choose the one which has at least a commission rate of 10 to 30%. Right now, Shoplus provides a free trial to everyone, so visit shoplus.net on PC to get this offer. Now, let's move on towards the video creation step. So let's say you've done your research and decided to promote Moss Ball Pet Small Alchemist Terrarium Starter Kit, which has a commission rate of 15%. Impressive, right? The next step is to generate a powerful script for our video, and I'll show you how to create one with a single click. Simply start by researching a video in a similar style with high engagement. And in our case, I found this engaging video that totally fits what I'm looking for. Make sure the product is different because we would only be needing the script of that video for our reference. So for that, simply visit this website and paste the link of your selected video and click Start. In a few moments, you will have the script. Copy that script and paste it in a Google Docs file. Basically, our aim is to use this as a reference script to create our own. Think about it. Why start it from scratch when something is already working? For that, you can simply use this prompt which I crafted. The prompt begins by commanding the chatbot to create a similar TikTok script based on the reference script you will provide, and the writing style and technique should be same as reference script. Then, after that, simply provide details about the product you are promoting, such as its name, the problem it solves, etc., etc. As you can see, the chatbot gave us an outstanding result, and to be honest, I was particularly impressed with the hook.
What if you could have an immortal pet? One that could outlive you for hundreds of years. Available on TikTok Shop.
The next step is to transform it into stunning visuals. For that, simply break down the script into different lines and treat each line as a separate scene. And for each scene, we need a separate visual. For example, the first line mainly talks about, what if you could have an immortal pet? So a compelling prompt for this line could be, a young man in a modern room finds a glowing bird cage on the table. Inside the cage is a magical light that holds an immortal pet, shining brightly and filling the room with its warm glow. The next scene talks about Marimo Moss Ball, so an image of a peaceful lake surrounded by green forest and hills, with the sun reflecting on the water. Under the clear water, many big Marimo moss balls and round underwater plants are visible. Would be a great fit for this image. So, up till now, you should have all the required visuals for each scene ready to go. Now it's time to generate a voiceover. For that, simply go to 11 Labs, and there, paste your script, and from the drop-down menu, select the Adam's voice, because it is the most popular voice in these types of viral videos. After that, hit Generate. In a few seconds, your voice-over would be ready. So, till now you should have everything ready. A powerful script, captivating visuals for each scenes.
And an engaging voiceover like this one.
This means it's time to put everything together and create an outstanding video using CapCut. However, for this part, I would like Master Lumen to explain how to edit the video and create an outstanding video for TikTok Shop.
Sure. Simply open a new project and import all your assets into the timeline. After that, drag all your voiceover and generated pictures into the working bar. Keep the voiceover layer below the pictures layer for a seamless blend. Then, listen to your voiceover carefully and set the timing of each picture according to your voiceover. Once the image timings are finalized, it's time to add effects and create movements in the images. For that, begin by selecting the first image. Then move the playhead to the start of the clip and click Add Time Frame in the position and size area. Now advance the playhead to the end of the clip, and in the position and size area, slightly increase the size. This will generate a gradual zoom effect throughout the clip. Make sure to repeat this step for other pictures too. As you can see, the effects and movements has been added into the timeline. Next, we need to add captions to our video. For that, click on the Text tab and select Auto Captions. Then hit Create, and in just a few moments, CapCut will analyze your voiceover and generate captions automatically. To make these captions visually appealing, click on the Text tab again. From the Fonts drop-down, select your desired font. Here, you can adjust the font size, color, and style to your liking. Also, break the captions into small lines so they are more readable. For that, go into Captions, place your cursor where you want to break the caption, then hit Enter. The last step is to add the footage of your product which you are promoting. Now we are completed. Back to you, Victoria. Your feedback is important.
Great explanation. Now, let us all see how the video turned out.
What if you could have an immortal pet? One that could outlive you for hundreds of years. Available on TikTok Shop. This is the Marimo moss ball, a rare type of algae found in the fresh, clear lakes of Japan. Shaped into soft, velvety spheres by natural water currents, they act as natural water purifiers, improving their aquatic environment. With their lush green color and calming presence, they make stunning home decor, and they're also believed to bring good luck. Under ideal conditions, they can live up to 200 years. They're low-maintenance pets that only need light a few times a week. You can get one on TikTok Shop right now. So if you are intrigued, you can get it from the TikTok Shop below.
This is much greater than I thought. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.